What is going on, you sexy mother lovers? How y'all doing today? Hope all is well. So in the last video I said I was going to do these lights across the tailgate, and yeah, that's what I'm going to attempt to do today. As you can see here, my phone was dead, so just kind of bear with me. Try to keep this close, but we're going to swap these out. See, that one's not working, that side's busted, that one's just junk down there. So we're going to swap all these out. I can get to them. These lovely LEDs. They're at O'Reilly's. They're fairly cheap. I mean, just a little comparison. Of course, that one's blowed out there, but you can clearly tell the difference. So, show y'all how to do that. Fairly simple. What you do is I use this little flathead screwdriver. You come in here to the sides, pop it out, pop it out. Like I say, you pop it out on the sides, and then it's not supposed to come off like that, but mine did. This whole unit right here is supposed to come out, and it just unplugs right here as a whole. It's supposed to look like that and unplug right here. Yeah, unplug like that, and you're left with this plug-in. The piece I just pulled out of here, I just threw. There it is. I just chunked it down because it hurt me. And then you're left with this piece. It's fair enough. Phillips head screwdriver that take this whole housing off. So now once you get a little black housing off, this thing is nasty inside of there. But you'll be left with this. These new wires come, or these new lights come like this. Wow. I have to throw it down a few times, make sure it ain't gonna break. Don't do that. I'll take my voltage tester. You'll see which one of these wires has power. The power will obviously go to this one, and then you will need to take whatever ground wire, and I'll show you right here, because one of these has, you gotta take it apart anyway to mount it. See, one of these has this little piece here. It's for the ground. I think it is. No, don't say ground. That's for the ground. You'll run your ground wire here to that, and you'll be good to go. Or you can run it to here and whatever. That's how I like to do it. I'll run, yeah. But I mean, then it's just simple enough. You screw this part back down, clip this back in there. Before I clip them, I'll stick it. I turn the lights on, stick it, make sure it'll work. If it don't, just flip it around. Which I don't know if you can do it. Anyway, and then that's all you do. So hold on, I'm gonna finish this one, and yeah. Okay, so the way I done these, I figured out, well, I just cut that little connector off, made it the positive to the positive, and I run the ground up through here, put it on that screw, screwed it back down, and now let's see if it works. All right, let's see. I think it goes like that. Just like that. Sometimes a pain to get clipped back down, but it will happen. Alright, so yeah, a little bit of a pain to get clipped back down. I had to use both hands, but I got it in there, and yeah. I don't know if you can really tell it from the video, but I sure can. The thing is a lot brighter than the regular ones. But I mean, it's that simple. That's how you do all of these. You don't have to buy no kind of special resistor or anything, because you know I've done those. When I get these done, everything except for the turn signals and the brake lights and the cab lights, everything else will be LED. Like I said, all these little lights I got at O'Reilly's. Well, my wife works there, but I even done LED reverse lights, which I mean, that's simple. You take the screws out holding the housing in, just like changing a bulb. So yeah, I'm gonna finish doing these, and I'll show y'all if I can remember to look down here, because I have to turn my phone around when it's charging. I'm used to looking at this end, but I'm looking down here because this Note 20 is huge. But I'm gonna finish putting the rest of these in and show y'all the finished product. Okay, so I don't remember if I mentioned this in the last one, so I'm just gonna do it again. But I've got these in a little pack. It's the female end to these. What I'll do, I'll take a little heat shrink, put on this side, focus. Put on this side of things. It ain't gonna focus on it. Put heat shrink over here, then when I plug it in, I'll stick the heat shrink inside of that so it'll all bond together. Make sure when you plug it in, you get that good penetration. It goes in there deep. That's one of the key things. And then, like I say, just cut that off and run it up through the edge right there. Right up through there, wrap it around the screw right there, tighten it down, you're good to go. Alright, now that I got them both in, we're going to go over everything LED in this truck. Map light, red dome light, just because. Pull out the park lights. We got that one LED. Of course, the LED headlights. This is just running lights now, the headlights ain't on. It's just the two side pieces. And then those are soon to be LED. That is LED. I'm going to do those in LED. Of course, the dually markers are LED. And then, bam. All those are LED. Man, are they bright. I got to do these still. The brake light, tail lights. Dadgum, am I bright. Oh, and I got to do the tag light. It don't work either. Figure that out later, but yeah. So I guess that's going to do it for this video. As of right now, the light's the only thing on this one. But I just got some stuff in the mail from Glow Shift. Got this dash mount for the Dodge, for Earl. Then I got this nice pillar pod for her Tahoe. It's got the speaker cut out and everything. I'll let y'all join in on mounting that. I went ahead and got the wiring kit for it. And I don't know where they went. I got there they are. The little fuse things. Let's see, we have, this one's a trans temp. This one's boost. This, yeah, 60 PSI boost. This one is EGTs. Yeah. Exhaust gas temp. And then this one is water temp. Like I said, this one will go in the 4Runner. And these three will go in Earl. The Tahoe's done got a wideband in it, but it's just kind of chilling in the center console. So that'll clean that up. And then I'll eventually order the ISPRO 4,000 RPM tachometer and complete this setup. And we still also have the hood ornament. I gotta put it on. What else? There was something else I was supposed to do. I gotta fix the door locks because the driver's side power door locks quit all the way around. Passenger side will lock, but will not unlock. So I gotta fix that. Find out why that's doing that. But yeah, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Y'all be safe, y'all have fun, and I will see y'all next time.